what are we looking at? These are the transmission solenoids. It's an EGR valve. And this is the actual EGR suction piece. These get dirty in the inside and they start to go bad. The best way I do it is you have this piece here, you put this over your mouth like so, push this in, and you can feel the pressure coming in and out of the tube. Hold on. Okay. Put the tube in my mouth. When you let off and you push in, it suctions in. And that works with this. If you get a code on your car, after the time, if it says EGR, you might want to look off into this too right here. And then transmission solenoids, I want to be clear on what you're looking at, because there's a few videos that don't specify exactly what number or what letter the solenoid is. And I just wanted to be clear with the numbers. Now if you look on the back, it has the part numbers at the top and then the numbers at the bottom. This one's 1115. Same part number, 1115. And there's 5 in total. When you look at this one, same part number, 1119. So the number changed. 1119, same part number. 1119. So you look at those numbers and you're asking yourself, well, how do I know where to put them? Okay, well, I looked at a lot of videos and most of them don't specify exactly where they go. So if you know that there's 2 that go on one side and 3 on the other side, you have the 1115, which is the one. 115 is the second one. And you have these 3 that go on the other side is 1119 and so forth. On those 3. How to tell if they're going bad? They got videos out there already where you can connect a hot and ground or put even a light on there to see if they're coming on, but either way. I made a mistake, I must admit. I tried to use some silicone gasket to seal it on there, and then it starts to leak because the motor gets hot and it starts to peel off. So I always buy the gasket. They're not pricey. I mean, it's worth it to just get the gasket instead of trying to use gasket sealer. It just doesn't work. There's the proof. Now, I want to take you out here to the, well, hold on, before I do that, I want to show you this. I went out to the salvage yard, and these are the ones that I got from the salvage yard, because it was the same transmission, I'm guessing, It was in the same spot and everything. It had 3 of them in there, so I was assuming that they were the same ones. But I discovered that these say MD, 758981. But down here at the bottom, it says OX11. The next one, it says same part number, OX11. 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 Then this one is different. OX12. So this is the only 12 out of the 5 that I got off the other car. I didn't notice that before because I wasn't looking at the numbers. And the numbers matter. So if you look at the ones that originally came on my car, there's no OX. It's just 1115. And then 1115. And then the other 3, 1119, there's no OX. As far as the part number at the top, 758981. 758981. The same part number, but different numbers at the bottom. So after looking at a few videos and trying to figure it out myself, it's not too many videos, or anyway, if somebody know anything, you can help me out, send me a shot. But I'm not sure about that. These are the original ones that came on my car, and these are the ones off of the one in the salvage yard. These are like 60 bucks a pop, if not 70 bucks a pop. So they're expensive. And for 5 of them, you can just do the math. That's a lot of money. So I went and got them from the salvage yard. Not knowing if they work or not, but it doesn't hurt to give them a shot. I got a code on my car. It came up 07055 or something like that. And it showed solenoid A and C, or A and B, one of those. So I take them back out and I'm looking at them. I'm gonna take you out to the car where you can see exactly what I'm dealing with. Now, let's get under the car and let's take a look. Got my drip bucket right here. You're gonna need that because once you take the solenoids out, they leak. All right. Here's the first one, second, and third. If you just keep it the way it is, you can still see. And in the inside of them, that's what it looks like. And they slide right inside of there. There's 3 on this side. And then there's 2 on this side that goes off in there. And there's a different solenoid right here that's separate than the ones I'm talking about. It's a little different one. I forget what that one's called. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. And the solenoids go right off into here in these holes. And then you clamp them on there like this. All 3 of them. You're gonna need plenty of towels, as you see. And there's the old transmission fluid. You can reuse the old transmission fluid, it's all right. It's gonna give you the exact amount that goes in there. Oh, transmission fluid is still good. Because that gets pricey too. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you what it looks like and what I'm doing. I'll make another video on what I come up with as far as the codes. But the codes did show this side to be the A and B side, which is the left side, the passenger side of the car. And then the driver's side of the car is the 3 right here. So I'm guessing the 19s are the 1119s. There's only 3 of those, so I'm guessing they go on this side, and the 1115s come over here. When I went and got the ones from the salvage yard, I didn't know that there were numbers on there, so I just threw them in there, and then, you know, some codes show up sometime later. Oh, I just didn't know. So now that I know, I think I got an idea that the 3 matching numbers come on this side, and the 2 5s go on the other side. So there you go. Appreciate you for watching. Thanks.